The job market is finally showing signs of life, and it's about time. After years of stagnation, New Zealand's employment landscape is experiencing a much-needed revival, with job ads climbing for the third consecutive month, according to SEEK's latest report. But here's the real shocker. Applications have skyrocketed to record highs, leaving job seekers in a fiercely competitive environment. Is this a sign of economic recovery or just a temporary blip? Let's dive in. SEEK's August 2025 New Zealand Employment Report reveals a 1% monthly increase in job ads, marking a 4% annual growth, the first year-on-year expansion since November 2022. And this is the part most people miss. Industries like real estate property and design architecture have been steadily growing for 13 months, potentially signaling a broader economic upswing. But is this growth sustainable or just a fleeting moment of optimism? Rob Clark, SEEK's country manager, describes the current situation as encouraging but not a trend yet. He highlights increased activity across most industries and regions, with manufacturing, transport logistics, and trade services leading the charge. However, not all sectors are thriving. Farming, animals conservation, and government defense saw slight declines. So what does this mean for the average job seeker? Are we on the cusp of a job market renaissance, or is it too soon to celebrate? Regionally, the picture is mixed. Auckland, despite 2 months of rising ad volumes, still lags 2% behind last year's figures, possibly due to its heavy reliance on professional service roles. In contrast, Otago, Wellington, and Canterbury have shown consistent growth. But here's where it gets controversial. Is Auckland's slow recovery a reflection of deeper structural issues, or just a temporary setback? One thing is clear, the competition for jobs is intense. With applications per job ad at record highs, job seekers face an uphill battle. Clark notes that while semi-skilled roles attract numerous applicants, highly skilled positions still struggle to find talent. So, are we witnessing a skills mismatch, or is this simply a reflection of the current economic climate? As we navigate this evolving landscape, one question remains. Is this job market revival a sign of better times ahead, or just a fleeting moment of hope? What do you think? Are you optimistic about the future of New Zealand's job market, or do you see challenges on the horizon? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a conversation.